10 dark side of women from which men should be scared. Number 1. Manipulation. Like individuals of any gender, some women may resort to manipulation to achieve their goals or control situations, which can be harmful to others. Number 2. Jealousy. Excessive jealousy and possessiveness can lead to unhealthy behaviors and strained relationships, causing distress and insecurity for both partners. Number 3. Vindictiveness. In some cases, women may harbor feelings of vindictiveness, seeking revenge or retaliation against perceived wrongdoings, which can result in negative consequences for those involved. Number 4. Emotional manipulation. Women, like anyone else, may use emotional manipulation tactics to influence or control others, potentially causing psychological harm and emotional distress. Number 5. Passive aggression. Some women may exhibit passive aggression behavior, expressing hostility or resentment indirectly rather than addressing issue directly, which can lead to misunderstanding and conflict. Number 6. Entitlement. In certain situations, women may display a sense of entitlement, expecting special treatment or privileges without regard for the needs and boundaries of others. Number 7. Gaslighting. Gaslighting involves manipulating someone into questioning their own thoughts, feelings, and reality. This behavior can be emotionally damaging and create confusion and self-doubt. Number 8. Emotional instability. Like individuals of any gender, some women may struggle with emotional instability, experiencing intense mood swings or unpredictable behavior that can impact their relationship and well-being. Number 9. Possessiveness. Excessive possessiveness can lead to controlling behavior and feelings of suffocation within a relationship, inhibiting personal freedom and autonomy. Number 10. Dishonesty. Some women may engage in dishonesty or deceit, concealing information or manipulating facts to serve their own interest, which can erode trust and undermine the foundation of a relationship. Remember, it's essential to recognize that these signs and traits are not exclusive to women and can be present in any individual of any gender. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.